Today I'm going to show you exactly how to search for epics inside Jira. If you've ever found yourself lost in a sea of tasks and user stories, or simply need to quickly locate the bigger picture items, your epics, this tutorial is for you. By the end, you'll know a fast, reliable method for finding and navigating epics in any Jira project, which will absolutely streamline your project management workflow. Let's dive right in. The first thing you want to do is open your Jira dashboard and look for the search bar. You'll usually find this at the top of the interface, or sometimes along the left sidebar, depending on your version of Jira. It's essentially your gateway to everything in Jira. Go ahead and click on that search bar. Now, if you're new to Jira or haven't used search much yet, don't worry. The search feature in Jira is incredibly powerful, but it can sometimes feel a little overwhelming with all the options and filters staring back at you. Just stay with me here. Once you click the search bar, look toward the bottom of the drop-down menu that appears. You'll see an option labeled View All Work. It might just say View All Issues, depending on your Jira setup. Click that. What this does is open up a broader search interface where you can filter and browse through all the issues in your project workspace, not just the recently viewed or easily accessible ones. I like to think of it kind of like opening up a library's catalog. Instead of just glancing at the books on display, you get access to everything. Next, you're going to focus on the filter called Type. This is one of the most valuable filters available, especially when you're navigating complex projects. The Type filter lets you sort Jira issues based on their function, so, for example, tasks, bugs, stories, and of course, epics. Find the filter titled Type, usually in the left column or sometimes as a drop-down at the top. Click on it, and from the list that pops up, select Epic. What this does is immediately narrow down your results. Jira will now only show you issues that are epics. This is a huge help if your project has hundreds or thousands of items flying around. It's like filtering out all the small pebbles to find just the big stones you're looking for. Once you've filtered by epics, take a look at the list that appears. You'll see every epic in your project laid out clearly and ready for you to browse. At this point, take your time. Maybe scroll slowly through the list, scanning for the epic you need. If you have a lot, you can sort or search again using keywords, status, or other filters to narrow things down further. And don't worry if your list looks crowded. You're just a step away from pinpointing exactly what you're looking for. When you spot the epic you're interested in, simply click on it. Now you're inside the epic, where you'll find all the detailed information, child stories or tasks, and progress updates that epic contains. This allows you to review, update, or just get a better understanding of your project's broader objectives, a crucial step in managing any project effectively. And that's it. You've just learned how to quickly and confidently search for epics in Jira. Remember, mastering the search functionality in Jira will save you tons of time and give you a much clearer view of your projects. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button. It really helps the channel. If you have any questions or there's something else you're stuck on in Jira, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. And don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and good luck with your Jira projects.